I wear my hoodie in the summer heat, hide in the shade of crowded streets. They say the light will heal my soul, but all it does is make the silence grow. I used to chase the dawn with dreams, now I run from what it means. Every sunrise brings your name, in the warmth I feel the flame. Tell me how to avoid the sun when every ray reminds me you're gone. I cover my eyes but I still see the ghost of your haunting me. Teach me how to breathe again without the heat of your hand. Tell me how to avoid the sun. I walk alone through golden light, pretending everything's alright. But shadows know the truth I hide, that I'm not whole since you said goodbye. Reflections show the cracks inside, no place left for me to hide. Even in the brightest day, I feel the night won't go away. Tell me how to avoid the sun when every ray reminds me you're gone. I cover my eyes but I still see the ghost of you haunting me. Teach me how to breathe again without the heat of your hand. Tell me how to avoid the sun. I tried to smile but light burns deep, so I sleep to dream and dream to sleep. No dawn can bring me peace tonight. Your love was my only light. Tell me how to avoid the sun when every ray reminds me you're gone. I whisper your name in the breeze, but it brings me to my knees. Tell me how to let you go when I still